So I was binding the Radiomaster M12 to the RGT Challenger stock receiver, which is just a rebrand Dumbo RC 10-channel receiver. When unfortunately, I didn't unplug the servos. They locked up, one of them burnt out on me. Luckily, I had two of these ramp crab micro servos laying around, which is not the same, maybe like a touch better than the stock. But I had to come up with those custom mounting pieces because the stock servo has those. So they can control the dig and the 2-speed transmission. So after some figuring around, I got it to work. So the rear is 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, dig. Then the 2-speed trans. Four-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, dig. I'm waiting on 2 better servos to come in, because these are 6 volts. I'm waiting for some high volt servos to come in. But this is a temporary fix. Peace.